Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 GMC Terrain AT4. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Other benefits included such as premium leather heated seats, heads-up display, panoramic sunroof, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, onto the interior. We're going to have this all-black interior with paneling coupled to storage on the bottom. Equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to your power liftgate settings. And you got your power locks, mirrors, and windows with your seat memory there. You're getting these leather heated seats, the AT4 badging, super nice. And left side will be your vents, as well as your heads-up display controls. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, and all that fun stuff, as well as audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings. You have the heads-up display right up top. And onto the infotainment, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and as well as navigation. And you can also choose to sign up for OnStar services and access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as the parallel mirror cams. Below, you're going to have your dual-zone climate controls with your button shifter with 2 USB ports and as well as an SD card reader. And you're going to have park assist with your 2-wheel drive, as well as lane keep assist and hill descent control. And center console storage included right there. Passenger side, same finish. Heated with that AT4 badging. All the way across, you got your speakers, events up top. And then here you can access arena lamps, OnStar SOS, and your panoramic sunroof. So you're going to these black 17-inch wheels on Goodyear Fortitude tires with the black mirror caps. The body style keyless entry door handles, luggage side racks up top, and to the back. "60/40 rear folding split seats with the splitter, pulls up extended, and as well there's extra storage down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, get more paneling storage next to the speaker, power windows and the chrome accent. Up in the back. Very decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear vents, rear USB ports, and AC wall charger on the bottom. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. Lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, the panoramic sunroof. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 GMC Terrain AT4. Equipped with the 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as leather heated seats, lane keep assist, hill descent control, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.